What's up, guys? It's your girl Mac Cox with MA Couture Crafting, and yes, I am back with another Notions for Notions video this week. And this one is funny because everybody's got to have a pair of fabric scissors, and yes, they are fabric designated scissors. You cannot use these scissors for anything else other than fabric, or maybe snipping your thread, but it needs to not be paper. And these need to be the scissors that you tell everybody don't even think about touching. And you would think that mine would be the most expensive pair, super luxurious and all that. And really, they are just a good, solid pair that I've had forever. I think I've had them sharpened one time. Check your local Joann's. My Joann's has a knife sharpener that comes in like every other month or so. And you can take your knives there and leave them there, and he will sharpen them. Then you can pick them up and pay for them. It's really a cool service. These are just regular, good old Fiskars scissors. I don't know. There's nothing really super luxurious about them. They feel good in my hand. They are heavyweight and they can cut. My mother is always asking me about those scissors, so I finally bought her own pair. She's like, "Where did you get these scissors? Why are your scissors so nice?" And they are not the most expensive scissors. I know that you can get Ginger and you can get the LDH. I don't know. There are other scissors on the market that are much more expensive, but these are solid. Guys, these are solid, tried and true, good, legit scissors. If you guys would like to check it out, I will leave some links down below where you can pay for them and you can support the channel. But these scissors, I'm telling you guys, they're just a nice, solid, good pair of scissors that I use every day, all day. And I've had them for a really long time. You'll see them in my videos. All right. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.